chemical kinetics. Now the chemical kinetics deals with the measurements of the chemical reactions. What is that? Measurements the chemical reactions. Which of that? Chemical kinetics. Now here first topic, what is that? Rate of reaction. Rate of reaction. What is the rate of reaction? So this is very important, right? Decrease, what is that? Decrease in the concentration, clear? Decrease in concentration of reactant decrease in concentration of reactant in unit time, in the unit time, that is called rate of reaction. What is the rate of reaction? The decrease in concentration of reactants in unit time, in unit time, that is called the rate of reaction. So rate of reaction means decreasing there. Which of that concentration decreasing, reactants of the concentration decreasing in unit time, clear? So that is also definition for the rate of reaction. So another way also there, increase, what is that? Increase in concentration, increase in concentration of products in unit time. In unit time, decrease in concentration of reactant, or in unit time increase in concentration of product. So that is we call that rate of reaction. Rate of reaction means decrease in the concentration of reactant. So there is concentration of reactants of the concentration of reactants concentration, reactants of the concentration decreasing in unit time. At the same time, increase in concentration of product. Here is the decreasing in the reactant. We know already reactants becomes to the product. Clear? When the reactants of the concentration decreasing, same way products of the concentration increasing in unit time. So that is we call that rate of reaction. So rate of reaction means decrease in reactants at unit time of the concentration and increase in concentration of products in unit time. So simply we can be read that change in concentration of the changes in concentration of reactants or product. What is that? Change in concentration of reactants or product in unit time or with the unit time, that is called, what is that? What is that? So first of all, the chemical kinetics, it deals with the measurements of chemical reactions. That is the definition of chemical kinetics. Now in that we have the topics. First we have to, I go to the first topic is the rate of reaction. I'm discussing rate of reaction. What is the rate of reaction? So rate of reaction means simple, we can be define that one, the changes in the concentration of the reactants of products with the time or with the unit time or in the unit time. So that is we call the rate of reaction. Are you understand? Right. Now rate of reaction, there is three types of definitions are there. One is the decreases in the concentration of reactants in unit time. Next one, increases in the concentration of products in unit time. Or simply we can be define that one, the changes in concentration of reactants or products in unit time. Okay, clear? Now we can be write that, how we can write rate of reaction mathematically. Here rate of reaction R equal to, this is the R is the rate of reaction, dx by dt or dc by dt. So simply rate of reaction equal to changes in concentration change in time. Yes or no? That is no. Change in concentration. Change in concentration. Change in time. This is the rate of reaction. When concentration is changed with the change in time, that is we call the rate of reaction. So this is a mathematical formula, rate of reaction dx by dt and dx by dt. So this is the rate of reaction of formula. Clear? Written this one now? Right now see here, I will explain that one example I will take here. For example, here is the A is the reactant, A is converted to product. Clear? A is the reactant, P is the product. Decreases, which of that? Decrease in concentration of reactant, decrease in concentration of reactant with unit time. So in that time, how we can rate of reaction? Rate of reaction is equal to R. Yes or no? R. So minus dx by dt. What is indicating of minus? Decreases in concentration. Decreases in concentration of reactant. Right? So next one, increases. What is that? Increase in concentration of product with what is that? With unit time. So how we can write that one? R equal to plus dx by dt. Here indication plus means increases concentration. What is that? Increases concentration. Are you understand? So this is the rate of reaction. Once again listen, rate of reaction means changes in concentration of reactant or in product in unit time. So that is the rate of reaction. Rate of reaction we can be write R equal to dx by dt. Okay, this is a rate of reaction. Rate of reaction R equal to dx by dt. Clear? When the decreasing, we can be put here minus. When increasing concentration, you put plus. Okay. So today this only to over. Right.